Hello everyone, this is Pratap, Assistant Professor in EC Department, Warangal Institute of Technology and Science. Welcome to WITS Connect. In this, today I am going to explain the analog communication system. In this subject, what is meant by communication? Communication, the definition of the communication the transfer of information or message signal passing through the one place to another place. Okay, the transfer of information or message from one place to another place is called as communication. In this communication system, the basic elements are one is the transmitter. It could be sending the data, and channel, and third one is the receiver. In this any communication system, these three are the elements. What are that? Sending the data, processing the data through the channel, and receiving the data to the receiver. These are the three basic main elements in the communication system. In this subject, what are the units of analog communication system? And these are the 6th units in this subject, and first unit is the basic elements of communication system. Basic elements of communication system, and second unit is the analog modulation techniques. And third one is the transmitter and receiver. Third unit is the transmitter and receiver, and fourth one is the wave propagation. And fifth one is the antennas. And sixth unit, last one is the sixth unit is the engineering applications. These are the six units in the analog communication systems. Okay, what are the first unit? Basic elements of communication system. Coming to basic elements of communication system, in every communication system, the basic elements are the three. What are the transmitter and sending the data to the transmitter is the sending the data, and channel is the processing the data, and receiver is the to receive the particular signal. And what are the analog modulation techniques means? It are the modulation is nothing but the process of changing the sum of the characteristics, that is amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, and phase modulation. The weak signal message will be transmitted longer distance by using these modulation techniques. Okay, and transmitter and receiver is transmitter is nothing but the weak signal to acts as it has a amplifier and modulation and filter. This transmitter is in the propagating in the electromagnetic, that is called antennas. Okay, receiver is to receive the particular signal in the end of the system. These are the wave propagations. We are using the skywave or satellite wave propagations, and antenna is the wireless communication system. By using in wired communication system, there are fiber optic cables are there. What are the optical fiber cables? Coaxial cables, like that. These are the wired communications, and antenna is the wireless communication. The example of the wireless communication is our mobile system. Okay, and also radio communication system is the antennas for the example. And what are the engineering applications? These are the signal to noise ratio and distortions will be in these engineering applications. Okay, coming to unit 1, basic elements of communication system. The block diagram of the communication system is that this is the input signal passing through the input transducer transmitter block, and this channel processing our signal with the channel and receiver. Last, our message input signal delivered to the destination. Okay, in this communication system, the modern communication system is in early days pigeons were used to send the information from one place to another place. The block diagram, step by step I am explaining the input signal, how to transmit the data from the receiver. Here the input signal is for example, it could be a voice signal or text, either picture signal. These are the input signals I am sending to input transducer. Okay, here the transducer is these are the non-electrical signals. Okay, here the input transducers means this input transducer works as it converts non-electrical signal to electrical signal. For example, I am sending the voice signal. It is a non-electrical signal, and the input transducer it converts the non-electrical signal to electrical signal. That is, for voice signal, the example of the voice signal is the microphone. Okay, up to here the voice signal is the electrical signal. Okay, and this electrical signal is transmitted to the transmitter block. It has a low frequency and low energy signal. This electrical signal is a low frequency and low energy signal. This low frequency and low energy signals transmitted only some of the distance. Due to transmit this voice signal in the longer distance, this transmitter block is used to amplify the signal. Amplify, the transmitter works as a amplifier or modulator. It could be a filter, because amplifier is the low frequency signals ni amplify చేస్తాయి. Low frequency signal converts into high frequency signal and low energy signal convert into high energy signals. That is modulator will be using, and also filters for removing the distortion. And this low frequency signal amplify this. Here that signal will be high frequency signal and high energy signal. The high frequency and high energy signal passing through the channel means the path between the transmitter and receiver block, the physical connection between the transmitter and receiver block. Channel is nothing but there are two types of channels. One is the wired channel and wireless channel. Wired channel means it could be a telephone cables, optical fiber cables, coaxial cable, like this. These are the wired channels. Okay, in this, coming to wireless channel, the example of the wireless is the radio communication system and mobile communication. Okay, these are the wireless. In this high frequency and high energy signals, there will be a noise will be occur in this particular channel. Okay, and coming to the high frequency and high energy channel, it has a antenna. The best example of the wireless channel, it will be a antenna. That antenna will be passing in the free space by electromagnetic waves. Okay, these electromagnetic waves passing through the channel and it will be passing through the receiver block. Okay, in this receiver, to receive a data, a particular signal, it could be a demodulate the signal. Here transmitter block is a modulator and receiver block is the demodulator signal. In this receiver block, we have to demodulate a signal. It will be a filter because high frequency and high energy signals passing through this channel, the noise will be occur. So this receiver block used to filter the noise will be minimized. And this demodulator signal, it's passing through the output transducer. It will be it converts the electrical signal to non-electrical signal. Because our input signal is the non-electrical signal and output transducer receiver ending low output transducer is converts the electrical signals into non-electrical signal, and the output of the signal, it will be a loudspeaker. The example of the output transducer is a loudspeaker or TV display. These are the steps in the communication system, how to transmit the signal one place to and another place in a particular signal. Okay, this is the how to transfer the information from transmitter to the receiver. The output of the transducer is the loudspeaker or display, TV display or video display. In this is the process of the communication system. In next class, what is mean by modulation and what are the different techniques are used in the modulation will be discussed in the next class. Thank you.